If you want to make money from something that interests you, or you just need some extra cash to pay off that car loan or random expenses that you have, then a side hustle might be a good option for you. Before you start working on a side hustle, it's pretty important that you identify what you want to do and how you can keep it going. Having a good understanding of what you're working on can let you have more control over your schedule, all while making more money. All of the side hustles I listed today are so lucrative that you could even make it a full-time gig. Also, if you haven't joined us before, I'm Eamon and I talk about personal finance tips and how to grow your wealth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe button so you don't miss future videos just like this one. All right, before I talk too much, let's get straight into the 7 side hustles that you can do to make $200 a day or even more. Coming in at number 1, we have renting your car out on Turo. If you have a vehicle that doesn't get used much, you could rent it out and make extra money. Although Turo is similar to Airbnb, it has some important differences between renting out a car and renting out an apartment or house. Like Airbnb, Turo is a free platform where you can list your car, and any communication with the renters are done through the app. After you have accepted a request, you'll either have to go meet that person to give them the car, or you can give the keys to them. Or you can do something called a remote check-in through Turo. Meeting up in person can take up a lot of time, especially if you have a whole fleet of cars. But remote check-ins can be faster, though you still need to go through the company's verification process. Setting up a car on the platform doesn't take a lot of time, and it allows you to try it out with just one car. Turo makes it super easy to rent out your car, and in some areas, you'll even see that cars are booked out every single day. However, just like any other business, in some cities, it is way more competitive. So I would do some research on how your car will do in that particular market. For example, in Colorado, a Subaru might do really well because they're all-wheel drive and they can go on different terrains. If you live in a city where driving is pretty necessary and is a destination for many out-of-town visitors, then you should have no problem renting out your car. You're probably also asking, but Eamon, how is my car going to be safe when other people I don't know are driving my car? Turo offers 5 different protection plans for peer-to-peer hosts with varying level of benefits, and you also have your own car insurance. The more expensive the plan, the less you earn, but the more benefits you receive and the more protected you are. All in all, Turo is a great way to make money on the side, and if you have a fleet of cars, you can make a full-time living out of it. All right, and number 2 is one of my personal favorites, which is Amazon FBA. I know what you're thinking. With all the hype around e-commerce and drop shipping, you probably have a bad taste in your mouth from all the gurus and influencers pushing Amazon FBA, but I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to be afraid of, and this is still a viable option this year. Amazon FBA is different from dropshipping in that Amazon requires you to basically create your own brand through private labeling. If you're not familiar with the term private label, it means that a manufacturer creates the product and then you basically take it and then put your branding on it and your logo on it. Through Amazon FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon, you basically send your inventory in bulk to an Amazon warehouse, and then when a customer purchases your product, Amazon will pack up your item and then ship it on your behalf. This eliminates the need for you to deal with customer service issues, fulfill individual orders, and handle returns. This is a great option for people looking to make money from home as a side hustle, or make a couple extra grand, or even become a full-time income. All right, guys, so at number 3, we have starting a YouTube channel just like this one. So if you guys are already here, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can watch more videos just like this one. While YouTube can be an extremely long process and you won't reap the benefits or rewards for a very long time, it's made its mark for being an extremely lucrative side hustle and even a full-time gig for many people. For starters, YouTube is all about video content and is arguably the most engaging type of content you can make. There are many reasons why people should consider using it as a side hustle. The amount of money you can make in YouTube depends on your acceptance into the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. Acceptance into this program is required in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel, and you can only be accepted if you meet these eligibility requirements, which are following all YouTube monetization policies, live in a place where YPP is available, having more than 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year, and having over 1,000 subscribers. So if you're passionate about making content and obviously making some more money, then you can use your YouTube channel to share your expertise and connect with people that share similar interests. I've seen creators on YouTube make anywhere from $500 a month to millions of dollars in AdSense and brand deals. While you're making money, it's also a great way to give back to the community with sharing your expertise or fun stuff that you do on the side. The bottom line is that if you're prepared to make videos and prepared to consistently generate high quality content, and are committed to growing your audience, it's absolutely worth it to start a YouTube channel. All right, guys, and that brings me to number 4, which is affiliate marketing. One of the best side hustles that you should consider when it comes to earning income is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply helping other companies sell their products or services online and getting a paid commission to do so. According to estimates, the amount of money people are spending on this type of marketing are going to reach $8.2 billion by next year, and that's up from $5.3 billion in 2017. So for instance, let's say that you own a blog about cars that has around 100,000 hits per month. A car detail company might reach out to you to promote one of their car washing products. Through affiliate marketing, you would place links to these products throughout your blog. So if a visitor clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you would receive an affiliate commission. Once you choose your niche, you want to build your audience through content creation, sign up for an affiliate program, and then choose the type of products you want to promote to your audience. Once you choose your product or even services, create more content around that product and then get paid for the sales you make. There are various ways to scale in affiliate marketing, but the main rule of affiliate marketing is that you should only promote products that you love and being able to resonate with your audience. All right, guys, at number 5, we have doing freelance work on Upwork or Fiverr. For people who are already working a full-time job but don't want to commit to another permanent position, a freelance job is a great alternative. This type of work allows you to work whenever you want, all while earning that extra income. Many even take freelancing as a full-time career option. But if you think keeping your permanent job is necessary, online side hustles such as content writing, editing, animation, blogging, web designing, etc. work really well. In my opinion, some of the best freelancing gigs to make extra money are graphic design, copywriting, editing, videography, and marketing. But there are thousands of ways to make money with whatever skills you already have. You'll be surprised at what type of stuff people really need help with and will pay you to do it. To get started freelancing right away, I typically recommend signing up for a freelancing platform like Upwork or Fiverr. These freelance sites will help you get your projects moving by helping you with job proposal, client communication, and all the way to getting paid with ease. All right, guys, at number 6, we have a pretty crazy one, which is flipping couches. No, not actually flipping couches, but buying and reselling them to make money. Just listen to this clip about how Ryan Pineda used couch flipping to make $8K profit a month.
Here's how I made $8,000 a month selling couches. I did a side hustle that got kind of famous on YouTube called couch flipping. Got married when I was young. My wife and I have been together 8 years now. She was 21, I was 24. I'm like, what am I going to do to make money for us? So we just furnished our apartment together. I just sat there looking at it. I'm looking at the couch just like I'm looking at this one. And I said, I bought that for $100. I bought it on Craigslist. I bet you I could sell it for like $300-400. I got such a good deal on it. So I tested the theory. I bought another couch, sold it, made $200. I was like, if I just did this every day, I can make like $6,000 a month. So guess what? Bought a truck on Craigslist for $1,500. Test the theory. I just start buying couches like a madman, dude. It was like the easiest business ever. Grew that to like $8,000 a month net profit as a side hustle. Got storage units, figured out how to post and find deals and do all this stuff. Probably flipped over 1,000 couches.
This can be a great way to replace your current income or even expand your current one as a side hustle. Reselling used couches can also be a great way to build up more capital for your own e-commerce business or Amazon business. Contrary to popular belief, it does not require a lot of money to start flipping couches. There are a lot of free websites like Facebook and Craigslist that will let you browse through their own marketplace to find used couches. That makes it a great opportunity for you to go get a great deal on a piece of furniture, such as used couches, when people are getting ready to move or looking to update their home a little bit. You can even take a trip to your local thrift store like Goodwill or even a garage sale, and you'd be surprised to find that there are very nice used couches for sale, typically at very low price points. These couches can be found for cheap, and with the right moves, you can resell these items for a much higher price. There are many ways to list used furniture once you have bought them to get as much visibility as possible. The more eyes that are on your furniture, the more you are likely to sell it, and that goes for anything that you are selling. Whether you want a little extra cash on the side or you want to fully replace your current income, couch flipping can be an excellent gateway to achieve your goals. Okay, at number 7, we have Airbnb rental arbitrage. Many people are wondering how they can make money from Airbnb as the company continues to expand its offerings. One of the most common misconceptions about this is that you have to own a property to make money on Airbnb. One way around this is through Airbnb rental arbitrage. Basically, rental arbitrage refers to the practice of renting properties just to sublet them on Airbnb. In other words, you can start to earn money by listing a property on Airbnb if you make more than the sum of your rent and business-related expenses. This strategy allows you to build cash flow without the stress of owning your own home. Since recently home prices have outpaced median incomes, it's becoming more and more difficult to own a property. So imagine you rent an apartment for $3,000 a month, and with the right agreements in place, you sublet the apartment on Airbnb for the month at $215 a day. At that rate, you can pay off your monthly rent in just 2 weeks. Once you've paid off the rent, the rest of the month is pure profit. Once you've subtracted potential maintenance and overhead charges, short-term rental arbitrage allows you to grow your income and save without owning property. The best locations to start investing in short-term rental arbitrage and vacation rental strategies are in emerging real estate markets. These areas offer the best combination of cheap rents and short-term income potential. It's important that you thoroughly research the multiple factors that affect the market by using tools like Zillow or AirDNA. Alright guys, so those are my top 7 side hustles that can make you $200 a day or even more. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.